Ebusan for Makwa Bra so say den ko twetwe ebra mu. Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahinkra abeka yensa wa ha. Honorable Kwaba.
Yeah,
Apombo kode. Yeah. Afi Japan so.
Afi nkometu.
Afi
obetu.
Waba atnase.
Amen.
Okay.
Amen with us.
My who pictures no stories be or papers no more. And what be the take opportunity ni enka ho asem quickly. Answer na ya say Sami Jamfi National Communications Director NDC onam kwan so eba nti e di nkomo no bato beto so abekto aso. It's about most of ma obia permit license man ma cement business or manufacture and visa.
Okay. Well, my main enchia one more na menchia metama West 4. Me take advantage in fena me polling station executive say. And na no ma yang wasem ya me hu bi da. Se me nim say oti ya. Me ndey me say me kwa kofa me forms. Ma kwa costane for parliamentary candidate be for on MPP 2000 election. Na me could draw on the formation me sana me yimi secretary on say there be na polling station executive say obetua kama. Me hu bi da na me fasa akonya so na mada won ase kese pa na mastress sa odo no mo ma me na o mo di o me ya hye o makoma mu up to this point no man wo sa na me say ehun sunso so no enam kwa mu eba
is an aba ho
police
station executive
gidi o mo wo
mo fa forms ma MPs no
me hu bi krada ewi krada
oh na no say constituency bi so
sa na me
ndi o mo so mo dey send message say so mo executive na ko fa che say wo ba no this na mo ye dey say
say be che me dwin ho a na o mo am na padwuma ma won we bi kokobo ni ade me ko hwe a yakoto bakakari ya be hye me say enye say wo mo chemi bibia na say mo hu di oran from fenchem no mo me symbol be to tell me say they are there for me day night evening batakari o na me chese be say wo mo to so kura na ma me kura ja ko ma yade politics no se can free through ma form free form ma suru if free through the co form in the moment this can be start here free a form e basuru no one say nyoma esesa na
nti omoma batakari na omoma odin ben tema west na
maybe sir and no one van kan odi bisa omni citation kama nine citation akon meba no watwa fito ya to adi so na nkrofo ahwema na me na o masekese pa tiki ubisa question na no kwese
so any okay now they you be this anko na they be new plan means what to say new plan almost say Friday you almost shut is government aware.
No, we are not aware as an industry. Yeah, aware, but the Ministry of Transport for and a better side. But I mean, can't cement na some answer. Yeah, country here, yeah, pay investments. Yeah, to me, and kase obidi asempe bani akase for asempa kodo. And as in me kase obidi investment bani for investment kono. But yeah, a conscious effort to protect factories. Yeah, what that ewa because. Of what benefit would you get in the Brofonu Craba neighbor? I then fasuni benya say companies are yatida a organ ha oma fani pom no mo yejuma omu nyam faso in ness omufoli up enti ya adwin say ekwan bia so no say betumi a wonu mo hadada no yempe kwan bi na yemfe engege won tata mo trasi omo trust year ene be ma business no so akosoro etoso mienu so obekaye a ye ba mu first 2017 ene ye dey project bi buy a near friend stimulus package was geared towards companies are economically viable but distressed near the pija won edi won agina ho me kan we dia kwa be say ya ban asede so be ensure a level playing field for companies that are in existence to survive and even live long. Yes, say cement factories are Ghana be 8. So 8 no, installed capacity be 13 million tons every year. Unfortunately, in 2018, for example, total consumption in Ghana was about 6.5 million tons. And there's a nipa 8 no be a full throttle. They can only consume half of what they have produced here locally. Into either some external market outside Ghana, or they have to go half throttle. and I say 25% production level. Eti a problem Emma. We share also the challenges of our industry, friends say ecosystem nima or me complain away. And what we did initially is to ensure say cement importation you better discourage. And I'm choosing my words advisedly. Yeah, nkasa wo cement import na person kofa cement ba. Yeah, ma won emfa cement ma. Name we discourage people from bringing in cement to compete with our locally manufactured ones. 2, we created that environment for them to be able to export to our neighboring countries. Na near a hard drink kakra say almost all the neighboring countries so obiya cement factory. Only cement factory crowd traditional source of import. Or a French speaking country, the cement company would have to now find bags which talks French instead of English. And it all became another challenge for them. But they managed somehow to survive. And as a friend is saying, a promise, and I say a way to protect or assure your investors don't want to locally. Your mama say government is not considering bringing in.
Okay, honorable Ugusu, my man announced says some medium fiaba so that Enko say or my na wabadada.
That is everything.
Yes, Samuel Kwaba, Alicia Pansuso.
And the government is only assuring cement factories, no, say we don't have any intentions of bringing in any more competition for now. Now, you ensure how, after importations, you know, we have discouraged importation. And you ensure how we make them survive and even go ahead and expand and do more.
It is a Ghanaian big castle set up manufacturing.
Yeah, there's no government will say on primo be baby. But one kasaba system, na no transit kasa, near chonyo maybe in so one here when you be. What you say Ubeso yes cementa. Ubeba meho. And now beba ministry. Uba your directors ne industry players
because maybe in the light of an open market and the fact that the back on a right or a right.
That is why I'm choosing my way advisedly.
Nobody will economic rights.
Yes,
and so
nobody will stop you
into a business.
Nobody will stop you. But why wouldn't you say Ubebe see sadly one here market? Because already no install capacity na wahano. To me, consume Ghana market didn't absorb half.
Okay.
And you be shame say, what do you see? Baby 2 sikego. That's the thing. But you be advice. In fact, you buy advisory service or ministry or is so intelligently delivered.
Okay.
And you be a person here any business. So what you idea about the business? Come to us. We will speak to you.
All right.
After when you have informed decisions, make informed decisions.
Okay. And the informed decision will be driven.
Fertilizer.
All right, okay. Some unyamba na newspaper reports be about the fact is that buying so yeah, we protect companies who produce cement or Ghana. I say na umiana na ni picture down. Ono so no cancer as na me be But down below that story no, there is Neoplan Ghana Limited shuts down January 31. And Tiwabe ya wabe to see the EBD no kakra ansana.
Okay. So no wabe nje bi on na betimi a che.
New plan credimente.
Unya also nyante.
Okay. I can start that one.
But say without going into the details no at least here in the history of New Plan.
Exactly.
And you know me soon say by this time no New Plan should rather be expanded and not shutting down. And tie hodo na na twetwe madwene kakra.
Me da se dedi kan ma mefa enchia emuhwam ema yahwefu nyina wone wapamfo so mo bo adwuma oye adwuma so mo my Ghana United Television e bo mabaso a lawyer de wo ho nyina ne se amamoni nkoyi enyeme sei enyeme jinsemu na yanhwampe ho asemu anka ama ban otia konwa so yi wantena ne to so anya adwuma pa antete nyema so kakra se ne be ya Ghana fo ho be henhan ya lawyer enye papa di pebre ye wo ranking bi a ye friend no ease of doing business index World Bank for na ye omo ranking wiase ama man ahodo we wiase nyina na ya hwe senia ɔman biara emusitie so businessmen ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmadwuma yɛ mu no ɛkɔsɔ ana ɛnkɔsɔ akwansidie bɛn ne si ɔmo ho kwan in their business ne deɛ keka ho wonim sɛ latest ranking about this year no Ghana ya drop 4 points on the latest World Bank's ease of doing business index. The reason is simple. A more expensive to do business in Ghana today than it was 3 years ago. The main reason why I had to perform on the ease of doing business index of the World Bank and the tax is not those. Credit tax you have to 50%. Esla you have to 27%. And now I'm saying petrol boy cost 27 times in 3 years. Businesses bebre use petrol. Businesses bebre use data. Or use credit. VAT cost 5%. Association of Ghana Industries AGI and check no more complaining. Say nuntina more cost of doing business adoso. New plan for you. Lawyer made the minimum say money are buying a year. I buying a talk house free amanonia near Babe Asambo ne Ghana na meboa. Into war Maya and they see businesses are booming. Honorable Carlos I inquire mu business in peace. Oh, one district, one factory. Businesses are booming. And a new plan na collapse no. Akakaka no kra ni frito. Akakaka no kra egu. Na omo ton je nani mako wodwom ne de omo nka de. Na nse lawyer Unilever company kakaka it say Unilever. Mo ba bonten. Omo bobina. Omo se enkoyie. Omo suppliers nyina businesses crash. This is Unilever. Mass Mart for so they were complaining recently. Because enyema masa say na enyema boesia peja because abanya wo share ye boss yanto abama. Na wo ba wo be move here from taxation to production. Tika wo ba ye businesses for comate there. Enyema ekoso come. So eney what move here from taxation to more taxation and more taxation. Data ye be do ejuma and even the TV stations no mo kwaka ye beka say mo ye anti-government intia. But it is affecting even TV stations and radio stations. So whether it is ESLA, whether it is VAT, whether it is special import levy of 2%, ayasa extended, fiscal stabilization levy, ayasa so extended, corporate tax, ayaka say better so from 25% to 20%, are mining ye. All these taxes now are cost runtino. I am more expensive to do business in Ghana. What they are not so tone chenya. New plan they are buying share your bonnet. The children say, in say, ye be crack cars, abama new plans and ye be asheno. And a class in your cars in your background, ye near asheno that I man on it. Lawyer, dear, as no foundation fundamental issue, no. They say, ye sambo cars na ye the bomb any moon in our man on it. Into new plan for your human yet. New plan for your human yet. Is any pay word a year Juma won across the country, ye be you with Yamako Trefi. Ade. Aden and I'm modern sem de ebeji to me. And my Ghana for need a so and ye may be sister. What to Abama Ghana be to say heaven will transform Ghana within 18 months. Now my ba the echo so one say nipe you may go. And financial sector na ebe bo ankwankwa nyuma bosia kra. I'm a private sector no a thrive no. And agu ya mutu. Over 500 microfinance and banks and savings and loans abai ye good nyina nipa na ye mu adwuma etifie omo sebi na omo wo mu bibie na omo tifie de omo bedi kra den me mada na ma lawyer nipa omo getri omo life savings omo sika nyina akwa institutions we mu na omampenya kufu ado se onfa ho wayi nani ye ntua okwa na ye 20,000 ahye unsem enfa ho ni usika da ho. So in fact the business climate we are living in lawyer and that is why Unilever, big multinationals are complaining. State institutions like this, they are collapsing. Abai we the idea mobetu ni bia muguno. Mo say no, it is not the best.
Same aka for 27th. So in fact it's aka 4 days. Almost on shut it down Friday. You bet me a save situation.
Before you just abai person save or abai bet me save. And I was abai save new plan. Because new plan, say you can educate me, but it's been in the system for years.
Omuna no more cars. Omuna no more share cars.
For years.
Months and
for some time now, no majuma perform kakra there, but at least they've been working, they've been employing people, they've been contributing to this economy. Nature say, mo dear, abaye ogu adwuma, mo ma penso na new plan be go. We dear, e best roman penye kufuado. Dear, what's the way you be out to save the company and to save jobs and what's the way? Hwe, lawyer. Ya kan taxes are akosora amana ye more difficult to do business in Ghana. And then we sika. Businessmen you they say CD no a pascal cry which MPP for one person better CD no was some problem. And a dollar maybe me check and 5 CD 70 pesos. Pound ni euro no cry de bobo. Even safer no cry ni bu CD na ni mu ase. Omo ko Togo ha ni Nigeria Burkina ko cry nyema ba. Nipa omo fa so ahye. No mu dwetire ahye because like, I was doing a not mama be here. Bakola or yes simple calculation. I was a bra. Boko TV so abonka bi my because me 2016 no na me pay $10,000 akokwanso a me sisa Ghana sika 40,000 cedis and I years for 42,000 cedis me nya $10,000 ekofa nyema o se bra ne ya me pese me kofa sa nyema kro na instead of 42,000 no me nya 56 e bi wa 57 and 58,000 cedis na me tinya sesa nya $10,000 o se hwe dia ba beto so no be 14,000 cedis me fast work. So when your city is not performing well, when taxes are high, when fuel is high, and I'm saying we affect you biara and what ripple effects on all facets of our lives, intino. So we are buying now one tenase, no one to 10 years so now they won't know about what's for him and away we are. You'll be living a lie. Over creating impression, be saying you so then the pay suffer. And on air translating into the collapse of businesses and joblessness. They say Ghana, you're moving from unemployment, high unemployment, to job losses. Okay. Obo no mo medjuma ya dada no kra no mo no aduane bom mo medjuma bom okọ kan aban wenti.
Sabe bo break was me Mr. Honorable.
Ayame ya pa.
Ye adentina yen save your plan. Because o maka nyema ye o mo problems no. Here buses.
Say papa
also government.
Oh yeah, sure so kind as he.
Oh me kan here.
Me sure so kind.
Government is no longer assembling.
Me nim say me the crowd kan.
Because
because expanding to
maybe so see aban and egu no. And aban na ama na nyi. And aban na so wansene. Pacho kind ye.
Okay.
New plan here from 78. With a kind work kakra ma me. Na won hu say e your no na collapse new plan. Enye yen. New plans. I will tell you why. Okay. The first time they got business in 2002 to assemble 450 coaches, they finished in 2010. After 2010, when your business bill. After 2010, when your business bill. In 2016, Obuko Abayo Kachans, Abayo na oye majority shareholder. Ton shares to be mine because mon first kebi en mama enfa nya adwuma. And the ton shares to be mine. Na yentumi konkope scan enfa me wuram, na enfa nya adwuma. Abayo say okay, meto ama. Abayo je on diversity implementation was $173,000. Oba fa shares na ma on. Sika na share diversity for. In 2016 asem na make a chere we. Man fa sika na ma on, and ma sika na fa. From that time to this point, I invested 10 million. Abayo fa kapre gongo remu. And you are telling me, sitting here telling me, say, young people got my about 3 years ago. 2000.
Okay, so my kind that bit.
Thank you.
Question me beside me, say, may a doctor.
Yeah.
My battles will be coma. Baby crona edruno.
Yes.
Umwi or coma. Submit me a one nipacona, amana, met me resuscitate. Na mi jinaho, number cancel Doctor Bakuna. No ho no pen so no kokoma ntimi so magina ho 3 years twan say umewu a mayade
e say men kasa I afre na obisa me ambe kasa
no,
because
I'm asking
so it's a good question a very good analogy no make but that person me make sameti as you say new plan bu na egu na nya MPP and egu no.
But is it material?
It is very material.
When you enter me feel say material.
Tickets ya botre.
Honorable. When you enter me feel say material.
Tickets am make kasa wi ya.
Sa aban na ekono. home yes adwuma we
but let them
only responsibility
but we need to correct it. You see, you are on national TV, so everybody is listening. Woman na kase wie or the call, but you have read the thing and you know say NDC buy from 2009 to 2016. Obama
one business. I mean yes analogy.
Well, let's say kase wie
a to say ni papa no akoko
me ba afraid na me ba be ma me answers to whatever he said, but my main train your kind answer because one me answer no it will be carried away and everybody will think say you can but we have an hoedi, but that is not supposed to be the case because we moti hono mo by 2008 up to 2016 mama won half penny. You didn't give them even one tractor tie to mend. President Kufuor time 2002 a ma on contract contract ended 2010 almost 450 buses. That's the only contract that they've received. You took over in 2009 January. At least one would have expected. Say kamo buy no mo na say kamo even mushemu kana say President Kufuor almost started you know na kamo suma bomuja mo ye bus branding ni nyina inform ho buses are mo toy for MMT ni ade nyina none of them went through them yen any amount on contract to assemble 450 buses and the world locus now was about be ka say MPP na ama friends egu but I can tell you say every man we are aware because this has not come to our notice in the ministry because a Ministry of Transport
and I should be surprised
because a Ministry of Transport when I'm sure
all right okay
but so over kaya enche bia na launch yen automotive policy and in automotive policy we are bringing in foreign companies to come here and assemble vehicles here. Why should we allow our own company to die? I am telling you and Pam say you ebia menuka say kra honorable Lanchamatin I invite you under that and he would call maybe a transport minister for him to get them for us to sit down because if you are able to survive beyond this point when the automotive industry friends and kicks in they have business.
Does it mean senti ubia any koho such that you say back papers when they are never become
no be any better than a cohort mo if the
man want to be any call when you are any uncle you be excused. But ministry now can asem no. So any uncle I will be worried.
And so when omni han we be sana me sure pass say omo know what is going on and I'm sure say they are on top of this. Meaning say siama on tracé Emma omo closing just like that. I can tell you. But let us hit the nail right on the head. Now your mama for TSC say company na egu no enye MPP government na manage MPP government kwa na manage na ho Nasar we be no be kasa head of the company we be catch say 2002 any amount on contract your amount on contract no for 8 years obatumi aye business na we assemble 450 buses mu kwa mo kokoto bus ma kwa kokra bus na mo di aba omoti ho mu buy e ma fa
kapre question ye hia bus
that one dey okase we miss the question
the bisa dey
question okay be say
dey check my dream be
who dey bisa because woman me flow
what flow
me flow here because one say wakeka nsem bebre
honorable what flow
waka doing business index me kan ho hwe waka companies say
no be yin no me dey me person dey kan say at the end of the day
NDC for nya akwanya na so mo trend TV so na mo ko reduce wa one person mo koko fan sembi no mo dey black listing and that's somebody blackmail and ye paint MPP black.
So assuming say what
they are white one man chance man white people will not understand because what can you some just feel on the local the friend modus operandi no as what we can wa no be any fan kra no be fam electricity there ye can a friend saying welcome for example new plan after electricity e cost no petrol cost no and na the barbecue once time na just petrol na da form exchange rate as someone walking. Let me tell you, sir, for 3 years continuous, you have the friend of balance of payment surpluses. Then she say you are exporting more than you importing. Sika, you free Ghana ha edikokoto nyoma wa manane back room hano. Isa since Sika nyoma you export to Kwabontin. For 3 years, 2017, 2017, you can check. So, and she say upco by the economic theory of demand and supply, we don't see the reason why the exchange rate no echo from anaye no. One moment nimuma technocrats they are translate use all the economic theories in the books. Oban could say there's something happening which is beyond what is in the books. And until the finance ministry through the EMT or MAT committee say you sure what is actually happening because there must be something happening. And I'm telling you something is happening. We will come out with it and you will see.
Mystery.
Huh?
It's mystery.
A mystery because it is not going through the right channel. So court through the appropriate channel, they would have put a finger on it and say this is where the leakage is, so let us stop it. Because I know one say ensure medi gu ade mu bokiti ya saying eso sen ensure amehwe gu mi eso yana ayemana egu fom. And there's something happening, something abnormal happening in the system, and that is what that committee is representing. Now say or say trade there be say or you see 17,000 as 14,000 the Kokresa can ho. It has not been different from what happened previously. But rather we think say there's something happening yet to be fire soon, because who apply economic theories at this juncture no, we shouldn't have our city should be struggling against the dollar. And
so this means the government is overwhelmed.
Government is not overwhelmed because we are being you are being politically incorrect.
Oh, Debbie, I'm not.
Government is not.
I'm being economically correct.
Overwhelmed.
Debbie,
overwhelmed.
I'm just saying. I didn't just say you are overwhelmed.
Debbie, government is involving the friends' opinion of outsiders for them to come in.
So it is possible.
We are not overwhelmed. Overwhelmed is too much.
It is possible, sir. We economics, and so you will not understand why a dollar.
It happens all the time.
Okay. So it is not that easy. So it shouldn't be that easy.
Theory. No,
I'm saying this because in the past, you didn't come about dollar no. You kind of so freely as if say jama buy video no be a unima wouldn't machine.
And the other one can just some fisa.
O say.
So tier no be dollar. Oh, the tiki. My auntie maybe say economic theory no. We sit down, we propound, and we use it to do our work when it comes to economics. Now, so when you see say all those variables and there's all those activities now were applying a failure, that means that there's something happening which the theory is not solving, and which the theory has not captured. And you go around it and see if you can find a way. Or can something
FX committee or whatever.
There's no forest committee. No,
okay.
No, can be
just 1 minute now.
Okay, or can be about doing business in index. Say you call from 4 places. In fact, time I buy bisa so only you buy and another 120 and actually. And they say 114 as you before kind 18 and but the reason why I know Kraban Sano was because of industry and investors' misunderstanding of the application of SAR 5% flat rate. Friend no NHIS rate no enka the reimbursables no on the VAT no. So Bekaya finance minister in 2018 eco parliament Emma VAT 17.5%. No, 5 of it was given to NHIS and NHIL and I think ECOWAS or something. Mirefi. Those 5% are not recoverable.
And they are accounted for.
And no, because of industry's misunderstanding that thing. No, and my bank, friends, the World Bank for no in doing the analysis, no, found out to be a bit worrisome and they brought us down. But we got up on high. We got high scoring point on four areas.
Okay.
You know, previously no, we were not even scoring anything in those areas.
Okay.
But we know say in 2019 as we have come out. Now the way that tax is supposed to be applied.
We'll do better.
When we come, we'll do better.
Right. Okay.
Oh yeah, you see.
Time.
Problem pa.
Time.
Problem pa. And Ghana for your war. And say abayo ti akonwa so yi. Omo ntie adwenkyere. Omo accept criticism. Omo aye omo ho say omo nim bibia. Nti say bibi kra na ekoso na achia na wo de adwen bi ba ye mpese ye betie. Bibia enko yiye bia ye President Mahama. Ekwan ye President Mahama. Munsi school President Mahama. Unyewe President Mahama. And MPP ni went in the yere kra sebi na or say President Mahama. So blame game.
That's on the.
So blame game. That is it. That is what you are doing. Ghana form petty. Listen, aben bia ba obeye ne de na oyeden. Okọ. Jonah Jekum Kufo die wo ba obeye ne de. President Mills ba obeye ne de. Onyame afre no. John Mahama obeye ne de why na wo for everybody to see. Ma betina konwa so bosome enfie miensani. 3 years is not a joke. wo share boss say wo ba you transform Ghana in 18 months and what second budget reading wo call parliament ko say you have transformed the economy. Therefore say na bibi nko ye ne ka don't refer to the past to justify who failure. Lawyer, new plan as I just did a quick search.
Are you calling for a break in SAR communication?
Maybe NDC for the yenye blame game. Yenye
mobile.
Now the yenye be lawyer. Say yenye be cry yenye pan yenye do cry say yes say.
Oh, I say are you calling for a break?
Ya break it that. Maybe I say yenye blame game. Maybe. Honorable Tias, oh, the SC no, you sure say honorable lunch maintain by a meeting ya there. Honorable. What do I not done you right being wo?
What do I go far back?
Share. Story here kita me. Workers demand immediate intervention to save dying New Plan Ghana. Date you're saying 2nd May 2018. May Day. After May Day and by 2018, my check it 2017 omo kan the same thing. Enya dia abampo fremu. Ejuma e for na start so mu complain say ejuma yugu na nyane. This is clear evidence you have had notice of this challenge. It is a more buyer to fix problems. Most of your mama nye wanye adwuma pa. Mo na mo baba be ye ni yi amaga na ye kama. And what have this information say new plan e wa hoyeyem this is the problem. Na won't mean solve ye. Na fie de adwuma na ibegu ni e kan. O say your mama ban dada na anye hye. What kind of rationalization and equalization is that? And na Ghana for petty. People are looking for solutions. Sabi nipa bro ha omanu aduane bebo omo because adwuma igu a omadwuma agu no. You think that this is what they want to listen to this morning? Enti Mr. Munyai blame game no. Anya hwe kra no. O colleague at the Ministry of Transport 2019 or the buses back room ha. Most this year kra the new buses ba. E kwan ben so na buses ye contract na assembly ni bi ni ye beye no wo Ghana. Na etimi aboama new plan for so aye de enya adwuma ye. That is what Ghanaians are ready for. Now we dey bibia by that and bibia by. Na 3 years na mo better na so ma ye de yin. Ye kan o say dollar na 7 America no. There is bibibi wo mo ntiase. Enti o mo what committee nipa 40. Must asre same way. Say nya Ghana ka what bi da. Mo wo opposition. And nam say we dey wa no don you dey bi ngunti. Makasa san ye lectures. Say you have the answers to all our economic problems. Dr. Bawumia say wa ye adwuma wo Bank of Ghana da or no or buy him for first 100 days lawyer okay or see dollar no crown watching out to presidents of Wakoma IGP and net dollar na te praga do 5 cedi 70 pesos no ni pay du megu instead of you to set up and solve the problem
na eyo nwanwa na
masa
enye me nwanwa bi akoda police station aduane da
yo ena police ni na tie
na no kwa benya police for kodo mo anwa nkrofo mo kodo mo
na omo ni antwe maso.
So much
the more reason why this government must be rejected. Say a police for man criminals, you know. We went after them. You see, lawyer, on a serious note, the issue
that was on the lighter side, let me say.
Yes. On a serious note, no, the issue say. You name what the problem is, the ama you see the need depreciate. Aban we do ye one dear pa cheap slogans. Ya ye planting for food and jobs so no mo boane ye import we aduane. Aye for the latest statistics be about lawyer.
So ka so mo boy chese so mo
I for say maybe
so 1 year planting for food and jobs.
Masa, why you planting for food and jobs? Nak fertilizer na nkwa for. Fertilizer no mo MPP executives small go to
so it means but e be there.
Enye adwuma. Why you planting for food and jobs? Now rice importation moving from 400 million Ghana cedis dollars to 1.2 billion dollars. Why you planting for food and jobs and yet to ko dwomu a aduane boa na eye den. Rather say aduane boa beba form because aduane boa ba form a na de we ye no fa so be ne wo so ene aye for say lawyer honorable tie Ghana currently imports $375 million of meat enam $375 million, rice 331 million, seafood 311, fishery sector na gu is been growing in the negatives for the past 2 years. Fishery sector, sugar 203 million. Because Commander Sugar Factory am obeto ye no honorable ne boss atena wa ma na gu person mo ton
na nya adwuma
de na nya na de na wo ba de na nya adwuma de na nya adwuma ahwe de na eni ho na wo to factory no yes wo neighbor
na wo has
to factory
let's agree on that fact
na nya adwuma no na nya adwuma kwa twa si kire ma ye di wo ga lawyer oh
it's too early say
sorry but anya no credit da
o de a won te say
America
azem tro anya bro to wase akunfi factory o ma ye so mu so mu dua brobe na hwe de ni
wodua ne
wa ba beto factory si wo mu amfidie gum ahwede keke ono abo Carlos Ahenkra so no si ye competent ye de na ko ministry so onko ye me ye hwa we timi anu ahwede ye nko to sa factory nto je ye bo ni donko mi aton so what is the point I'm making here when you pay lip service to production you are not producing and yet you hide behind cheap slogans you produce because you say who import more there will be pressure on your currency will depreciate way akraketu we say economics versus crowd anyway
but listening to him was say ya cut import rather
oboa then o makate nipa oh, I shouldn't say so, boy. Make us. He's not being sincere.
No, that's no better. Can I say
he's not being sincere?
Okay, can I say
accurate? Because the reality is we are not producing more. We are only paying lip service to it. Na se see the need depreciate. Na mo be ye hu bibia. Wa kwoti committee ni panko 40. Adwen be no betimi afa ekotu allowance ni per diem akese amo mo akwa akonum ti akese asan bo man ne ka 3 years into your government say mu injury time mu na mo no it shows say MPP for nya no kwafo omo si omo nye omo kan opposition ni nyina ya numdwa bottom line on all these issues and say lawyer
waka bottom line 3 times
cost I'm ending here cost of business is high because ujitum say
my bottom line back
honorable
baby am we una
bottom line baby am kan say baby ka ko si ni say waka
bottom line say enyema nko yi wo Ghana
last the okan ko
enyema nko yi wo Ghana credit tax amato mu 50% ajo mahama say to abama na obetwa mama Ghana for ho ato mo no ebe ya ka mu kra munyin free one sakra na joma ama yede aba taxes na kosoro see the need depreciate petrol board de bia kwa na ekosoro drivers are complaining everybody is complaining cost of business is high honorable
credit tax
don't sit here and play the ostrich
so to man mention credit tax
o say
what is credit tax what's the credit tax
credit tax and your friend talk and your mama moti ase communication service tax na matter 50%. O bundle and no bundle credit as you bundle ya na ko o to credit na do atene dey almost 10 Ghana 1 cedi o to 10 Ghana bia na watene dey 1 Ghana cedis na dey keka ho
ana bo say sika ni ebutu say na credit na content
and na o credit tax
me num say content
all right
but the point is
o beba me de manusi na wabo
and
na wo to a ye nto lawyer who free yentua who don't say oboto mu ensi hwe so magu nipa nyuma over 500 in the financial
all right
bosia kwa no mo pay adwuma no omu nya bi so please honorable mesre say at least ye bana lawyer as a lawyer in the nice way otwe ma bi asi bibi so solutions
be
problem we have found a solution new plan e be a new plan for
what
stimulus package many sector
I want to me push you corner my
lawyer
only nkomo na odi fiti ase no lawyer nkomo na odi fiti ase nkomo na odi fiti ase no
baby I say bisa asem no bibisa no
baby o misa
ana tio ma me kan asem tio
before abo so question ya
na senka summit baby out here nkade me die
wona wa ba etu ba pa ni de ka so no o masami de fi mu kasa na lawyer kasa na o twere na o twere o ko officer na wa ye wadwuma lawyer the question I'm asking him is say o starting
na about
stimulus packages am the boy businesses honorable there na esi kwan new plan so ye abai company established in 1974 so almost stimulus package almost
okay afi bu break wa say ya no o ketu e bi pe na afi
ana ketu e bi no papa ya kasa be 15 minu na be
honorable asempa yi
dabi honorable anka ba ye na nka o ka kire me say oh new plan no because I'm even surprised
when we starting free ho me baba come so me say if you give me the chance to speak I will tell you what we have
American sure me ti me hu ebi me kakra kra say me nim da kra say sa 2017 new plan for workers complaining about
the
state of company. Subsequently, almost are complaining. So it means that and somebody ought to know or ought to have known say there is a problem. Wo no enti am hwe wani mu say wo na this solution be ba. Some dey ono be wa any aka say problem ni.
When you go to that tangent,
and me am te hey ti o. De me no me kon be do na e be me de ne say ka ye kan yi. See oh there be o. Ya te asa.
Na wo ma me kwa ma me nkasa. E me na ba.
Because
ma me kwa na me nkasa.
Ma no be kwa so pa no.
Baby I was starting this wrong.
Me
okache the 2017
ade be man bass na san ba no
yes the who can and be bass number there but at least let us be very straight with this thing. So okache the 2017 and almost start some complaining 2018 almost start complaining na e wa ban mu enje omo complain si hu a masa ye ba anya problem say be to say NDC for akoso nyina and na e betumi solve yate ni nyina
okay
yate ni nyina adan ya ma meto say o ma kra Oma mobi contract on fa ambulance mbra wakofa ovan oba fe no be tu ni mama be
enya no kre
ya bae ye kokoto ambulance ni bi ochina about more than 300 ambulance ye ba be che ye bae friend saying ukosre mu a wo nya nsuo kra no mo de adua friends o maduane nya ne bae ye se be ye one village one dama ya dama o mo de ye no bae enya problems nya ne betumi solve ye bae papa yi friend say ni president Mahama or say se on tua nursing friends training allowance so be on tua na e be yi na dia free akonwa ne so ayento ama na ye nyai anya na e ba ye tua nursing training allowance ama nurses nyanyaji teacher for nyanyaji ye ba ye a teacher for the short supply you employ more than 50,000 teachers since I know what say we are solving some of the problems but you know lawyer so we can't solve all the problems muti hey but I tell me say UTV despite group my problems na what we are solving. It is step by step. Senka yen saw new plan mu since 2002 am on contract. And na coming mu buy na come to aso a anka wonu ba bi o maduri. Enei yasa ko full cycle ba MPP yasa ba power. Yaba power. Na so mo do won this year ba betu yanimu a. Eyen to boase en da da ne ba bi hu no. Solution ni bi ni auto policy ye dia be. What you say? Because your plan has been on diversity for a very long time. Diverse channels are called, you know, Obia Mananji until Sir a friend, a papaya, a Syrian as a Lebanese, a request by. Or the buyer by a minority shareholder. Minority shareholder, immediately we gave him contract to assemble 450 buses, which he completed 8 years later. 8 years later, and we're not contract from 2010 to 2016 and this for Oman Finaman Capreview. Masanji is 178,000. I don't know what you don't seem to, and ask and know how, because Senka me investor na maba okrum and also me meto company wo okrum and I say a buying company na maba beto na maka che say adna wo beto no woni me nye shareholding structure ni yi sika na say all the ban won femba e di ton kakra ma me nka me de ho na me timi fe gogoji loan fra bonchire ma me ye djuma no o say pin me di sika na brew me di brew wa sika no won so fa share na ma me and no is something we are supposed to discuss because if those things have been straightened that anka yini be be ejine but however 2017, yes, some complaining. 2018, yes, some complaining. Not to my ministry, probably or to the Ministry of Transport. But Ministry of Trade, the auto policy about to form. I never be assemble cars. Why? It's even going to give Neoplan a better locus in terms of even getting somebody to partner them. Say it true, say buying and a majority shareholder. Nothing stops them from selling our majority shares to even the whole Neoplan friends, the minority shareholder, no, and as a different person to inject new capital into the thing. But all this will not come to anything if they don't have any business to do. I support friends on position says I say abaya anye bibia ombeko down to the first. I can assure you and I assure all Ghanaians, Abai will not sit down for Neoplan to close down. Abai will not sit down for Neoplan
UTV for news won't capture
and I want you to take me on record. Say Neoplan staff, Neoplan workers mo bi amohu. Say akwa say NDC for anhwe won. Na so man for man anye bibia na from 2009 on buy no o man fa kaprekura ma mehim na nei o mo kofom ma o mo worry. O 173,000 o mo je ye kwa kwahwehwe Baby assess can share. Because you can't take somebody's check and not give them the shares and still keep the check with you. Wherever that money is, we will find it.
I feel we do be na me penno.
But if you want to
take count there no ban
Papa you say on nam abroad.
Solutions ni why na.
You see, and this is for minimum they don't have the moral right to even complain about some of these things. And I person Ghana for a wabon to to abamaye and common council we saying. Na mo na my NDC MPP discussion and I akobane sa.
Say Carlos because me ko bi se bia no so
there been wo ma me flow na because wo ma me kasa bia because wo jana man kan nsem nyina ko frabro chire akosi Libya asi tumutu ansa na wabesiko. Ya nya ne sasa me dia fi wo ma na chance sa program betumi akasa wo bo bia ankasa bi. But they are not right. Monoma creates our problems in na. Until when we are fixing it, you keep quiet for us to fix it.
Okay.
Friends, as if said the whole world
all right.
Centered on NDC coming back. What new thing are you bringing? Momo Bases here. Let me see about say. What new thing is NDC bringing? As we speak now, why you flag bearer 1 year up to now with me advice. Obias one page. So nobody's going to take that position. Me playing the card. If you are not careful, for the first time we are going to go into an election that a political party is not going to have a vice president. Now, because they can't find anybody. So we need 2020. Nobody wants it. If you are not because
I have easy to discuss. But I wanted to switch.
No. Bantima Hene speaking for Pemso or take so say to Asante Mayura.
It's one of the topics above.
Or can be no be responded to assembly or can be beach in your MPP for. That's one bit here futuna a bebo. The Pemso fab Bafo so kind, Bantima Hene so kind. And they say Abanwe, a Bakasa or Munim Casapa. Obuana and Mukasa. By Yanya action there. Munim ye hoot. Assembly to Ebini. Kasade. Amamu se bi se de nya masemu. Na wo de wano akwa dada oba o. 3 years ni oba fa afuro kura akwa wafa ne ba sans wa nyimbie ma sans wa wobiem. Ye sati catch us the problem we were since 2017. Dear na wa ya wa ba ha wo to nyom de. Dear na wa ye. All you know is to promise, Lawyer. Honorable Nti, mesa ba ha biem ejoda. Topic we was ba. Wa shebo wa ha yem pese we be ye ba wo miane na se bi ye man penye kufu ado bo hye ni bi. Se wantimi ani so
stress yem family na say share topic na.
Man fa makra ye be ba.
Because
ye be ho atie for be because he has given you his word. He has given you his word. That is minister.
Edano I will be on guard.
Na power o wa ban mu no. Odo lanche no ten kwa.
Edano I will be on guard. Me hu ni open bia me flag no.
Yeah, I'm telling you. No. And then
you premier be fa me flag no. But I will be very much interested. That one I will be interested.
Your catch UTV etie for na kosi sen. You making sure that this will not be now no when you are talking about and you buy ye problems and you solve be there na why a lot of them was your fair teacher for
you solve a lot of them
aban be na fair teacher for soldier aban ya nya for teacher for look at this mediocrity ya ye one village one dam ne bi wen dam no me ko srema ye koye demonstration lawyer dam ni bia hwe emu futuro Sahara desert
e wo ho de
anywhere Now, what's the excavator? Honorable, Madigana bro. One kasa we minister for special initiative. Honorable how of say. Sika mo de man no. Na enti meaningful dams into a meaningless and useless dams.
Those are not.
The excavator.
Those are not her words.
But a reasonable inference. So why meaningful dams dey where you
It's not.
So say sika na so meaningful dams dey so.
Who
the excavator? E ko dwibi form. Na nsuo to be gumu a why dam?
Why?
Who the excavator could do before and so to better why a dam? And now we yes dams, no me passion me about we yes so-called dams, which are in reality excavated ponds. Say, what pebremu no, ekuafo benya nsuo e de agu omo no ba yeso e de ayekua. E pay starting nansie ni nyinare. That minister, I have told the minister, and UTV should note it down. Say, that minister is a future candidate for a prosecution on the charge of willfully causing financial loss to the state. Because no him said it will not stand the test of time. What say oh my goodness on these so-called dugouts? In a matter of 1 year and several any people willful only because in the interview with the Ghana web journalist Okache say sikani ye de ma me nesa entimi nya dam papa now you say entimi nya dam papa okoye
never said that.
So don't even cite that as an achievement. Then you talk about ambulances honorable emre dikani aban bi the ambulance ba Ghana ni
it's good. That's
2012 one ambulance
to me is
look ambulance na mo dey aba na ye but all the ambulance all the Ghana for ye sika koto ambulance e pack si wo buso mi num mo nche mo se mo nche na nipa ewu accident si nipa ewu apenfo ewu a unsa abasobode ebiem ambulance bia ni wa ofo obi a oyare ana obi a wapira ode ne ko no aboka los ahin kranfie ana ode ne ko ministry ho ofo obi a wapira obi ohia yare hwe a ode ne ko ayare sabia enti se woto ambulance na wonsi chip compound oba ye wonsi clinic wonsi hospital wonsi hwia you are only dealing with an aspect of our health challenges which has to do with emergency health care but the main problem of access to quality health delivery I was say by building hospitals we jaguo ko konfa no chekowe enen ko dani apen for the da from empakura bi ni ho mu ba ye mabobosia 90 billion in 3 years. Latest IMF report to say na Ghana came many ya hwe yi a ye besa so akọ happy yes to whom much is given much is expected when you 210 billion there na mo dia ye unsi hospital ba ko unye kwan unsi school Ghana kwan say na esi asese and yet when we are complaining say nyema nko yi a mo say ya fa teacher for na me ne loyalty ke kura no mo ye loyalty ke president na me ye ne vice na mo de o man ne say teacher ye ntimi mfa mo ba ye makwa akofa licensure exams ye pese ye be fa teacher for argument no yakofa exams by force uwie school wetwa ye se kotwe na ya fail you na utifie mu wie ye makwa akofa by force
enye obi na fail o deliberate
most of them the teachers talk to omo try exams no omo results no be mu nyomo de they were fail na wo ka so obi
exams
obi go try exams syllabus na ho ohun examiners report that ohun marking scheme there is no guide na wo kotena ho ye mark ye so wa fail ohun script ohun hwia how do you know say you fail yampa? Is that a transparent system for assessing teachers? Now one more licenses. We are teacher near okoye practicals will crash for 1 year no. We say by force and so koye national service. In Sri Kenya message on Dramani Mahama e baby. We be trust our licensure exams we mu. We be try mandatory national service we
I'm marking those words.
Obe
try license.
No ba no aba no aba.
John Dramani Mahama will cancel licensure exams and yes all my teacher for license. Obe my teacher for license. But all more license based on exams. And to obe exams. No. Who your teacher, any young teacher, you're supposed to. Okwa, you supervisors, meboa. Oko ye adwuma openya say. You share wo output because teacher adwuma na your professional job, your practicals. So that's here. You share wo internal lawyer for. You the professional course. We are say ko ye pupillage. O try o 10 courses ni we Ghana School of Law. O nzanzo ko ya another licensure exams. But you need practical knowledge in thing. You say ko senior binche as a people na ko sua. Ya ba sa practical way of assessing teachers. No sa na dey teacher for be fa so. Licensure exams do ma ma ni buso mi obi twam. National service na hu hia obi twam. So when you are not dealing with real problems affecting people.
You answer my questions. Now
produce teachers.
Oh yeah. I'm not with the
why unfair
David be honest I'm in set record no straight o sha ase
no shall no my
o sha ase we yi no say what sha ase no yi na we yi ano e this is our sign baby mu a na we sign be sha asem fofra
so what lawyer me opinion no man 1 minute
what you actually me start here we be say me cement ho asem ye buy on man start here first. Oh, no man started on the bus no. Let me catch just maintain. And also no start here. No start me here no. What me sister be see on so. Esa me end.
And just say there na be here no be mu.
Who dey sabotage show
because I just in your planet there.
Make us out the obeti. Number 1. Emi de. So what take koso. I didn't know some Emma. Okay, so Carlos, my me say. Tie.
Abamu dey say na tell you.
Dia me yan na say.
Okay, buy am a pen paper.
Me defer easy conversation no. Okay. Na time na ya ka no. Because I have only 7 minutes.
Good.
Oh, you bet me that.
Easy as 7 there. Yes, 7 minutes as 7.
Namisha wakasama.
But 3 minutes.
You are not
one. Na me the one upon.
But you see, you yes as well. What man kasa more than necessary. Who be chess 7 no so am I. Okay, my man, cause how they do. Me time so stop him.
David, Carlos.
Me time so stop him.
Unless maybe you are saying say because of bad 10 minutes, you know. And now unya the advantage
5
to
minutes.
speak to
We
him.
speak of
course,
but when Sami starts speaking, he talks 15-10 minutes. Me yes you can be because they will go like a parrot. Or me can and throw or me can throw na Ghana
Carlos,
foot.
and then who complain about time, pal?
Yes, because I know Sami. And I want to know just I'm so Okasa in the way of a pub. So nice. Okasa already sir. Mr. Azami because no stop him.
Carlos.
Dabio, me say we are not going to sit down for NDC if one throne any woman and someone in the moon woman fem bamboozle Ghana for bi. Ghana for omaniati. And they will be able say enyan tro and you be dia kunya. Na now do buy say okaba be dia kunya no or the manifesto be to ho. The manifesto the same shame. So to be nyina at least 70% 80% they were ye. And that is what I want Ghanaians to understand. So papa we be try no no kaka sansem no kana. What is even the only moral right to come and speak to something that won't know your cause of the thing. So take a course what no share ne biano no be can. They are the people who want to listen to. They are the Ghanaians. They are the fulcrum of baby. I person yen worries and as a Ghana for problems they free near their solve problem no. And then this for yes in your town or shawasa no achianepa. There's no way NDC will present anyway. I didn't make us up. That must be walk on so no call a friend is saying
no pictures.
A friend is saying demonstration. I know you and you demonstration no or quite acquire dams no baby no quite a dry put through at least day say or say who say to crude ho na dry into yaye and they say a dry the yankupon enye nobody said anywhere in our manifesto say ye ba be see akosumu dam type of irrigation system. Nobody said anywhere say ye ba be ye pond dam. Yes, see ye ba be ye dam e be ye irrigation man for the ayomefu. Are the people doing their farms? Yes. Are we seeing any results? Yes. Do we have overproduction in foodstuffs, everything, stuffs? Yes. We are exporting, say, the Bordier Cote d'Ivoire. The Bordier friends of Burkina Faso. That is what we are talking about. If you don't know, let me tell you. And what is causing this? It is coming up because Yatumia Yesad in the Casibeno, Amomadi Yomonobai. And then, and one and Castabi, Omutuinantia, Wunyansuno, Omukadam, Omutuinumbi. And you are telling me here, say, the question is, would you find just assume, say, more, say, more person about Bemubi. What is your message? What are you bringing? Want to bring one thing, say, Yamaka, President Council about may review, roast you know. And over review, a friend is saying, nurses now say on here, one month on mobile allowance, it is I want to man on Munyano, and over review. SHS, how you reviewing SHS? You don't have even a single message. You need to have a message going to an election. Okay. Election is not won on past a friend saying. Okay. It's won on what you want in
3 minutes. No,
yeah.
Meda
honorable as na
because we are now is the time behind the time now
honorable you know I laid the rules na me can say me time now can come 7 minutes me mouth 3
wrong because food
mama me dey 1 minute
and say
mama 1 minute
for time
mama me 1 minute
because
and
mama 1 minute so dey let 2 minutes here because wait
hold on let us be fair
mama 1 more minute
how does somebody who starts a program the program ends the program then me buy me can cement asem
me fa 1 per minute 2
and I no starting or starting your pro saba be
me fa 1 minute per minute
we understand at least one more he has the last one we don't do it like that
me fa 1 minute
me say sabi for only
2 minutes
you need to
also the 2 minutes be
me say okay me dey ma na dey ma no
okay fine
thank you very much
what can say me answer in 1 minute
minimum 1 minute.
Oh, dear.
What can I give
according to my watch? Loyalty. Lawyer. Honorable Carlos Ayin Kraka Bidia. Say, and only a debate Jumadia. Nadia, the chair say, by that same logic, between 2001 and 2008, an MPP position, name is almost Kasawa Ghana. Because the moment you solve Ghana problems in between 2001 and 2008 are no more power. So between 2009 and 16 now no more position. No money any moral right to talk about the problems in Ghana.
Problem.
That is your logic.
No.
Say NDC yaba ba mu
Yeah,
so you must understand say to say the na more position having governed for 8 years. Na still na bibi nya na mutimi ka no. Sa so na bibi nya yeso yetimi ka. Say ye mpo ne yentimi ka. Omo ni party ni so e omo amoye omo de omo ni party mpo ni so e
womo de omo kan be accept because omo na say
mu ntie mu accept no na mo reject e de no. Number 2 lawyer me too mira na ma kiresie nene honorable Carlos
Because
1 minute ni so e me na tan so atra waka asem bi wo ha who pa why damage to this government.
Yeah.
O say dams na omo ye no omo anka say dams ni nsu ewo mu awe aye onyame na aye. Hey, now what is the essence of those dams?
Right.
The essence, go and read about the one village one dam promise and even the policy under the special initiative and they say yeah dams and they are support to agriculture in dry season. It is to support dry season farming.
And the area nice one.
It is a read in dry season.
Natural causes.
Because
natural causes.
JICA, your developmental part, JICA,
natural causes.
Japan for
you don't know what you're talking about.
JICA for higher dams at 2.5 billion Ghana cedis. And your pebble in so uko male constituency. Your friend community be Nyakpasi. John Mahama, your small scale irrigation dam. We have done these dams in the past. Muma ba be yes standard. Mabo Mike Ayaka de Wokano. Then honorable. Meba.
1 minute na so.
This is my last point. Honorable, my last point.
I feel 1 minute.
This is my last point.
I'm telling you,
my last point because we make a
but the most important thing is say when you have a dam,
I will give you more time.
No, you don't have the time anymore. When you have a dam, what you have control over is the space.
It is not
true.
Hold on.
It
is scandalous. You do the dam even in dry season, it can retain water and support farming. What are you talking about? Finally.
What you are saying is not true.
I'm saying, honorable Carlos, I am busy. Any alternatives? You mentioned it. John Mahama say oba. Technical vocational education from secondary to tertiary. You be called free. Okay. Also oba. Also oba mo double track ne. Mama nkra ntimi ntina school musunya de also oba obetwam.
Okay.
John Mahama say oba mandatory national service teacher training see here. Licensure exams teacher training see here also oba obetwam. John Mahama say oba. The corruption CPR. Ghana ya sans ya drop from 78 to 80 because of the corruption.
Ghanaians will not allow and finally, when you want to dwell on lies to come into power, it will never work.
John Mahama
of only one
was over there. John Mahama say he will reduce the size of your bloated, your
obese. Kinsley. Tema West na. But okay.
What you are saying will not bring
next time. So what is a Samija Mfika 1 minute? You must know that it is indeed 1 minute. I was a forever and also, yes, sorry, I'll tell you, me admire, best